Hi there, students. To warble. To warble is to sing, but with continuously changing notes. So as he walked along the street, he warbled boom 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 boom. Okay, so the notes are always changing. Now you have birds that are called warblers. Yeah, various, and these birds effectively warble. So the birds were singing in the trees, warbling. Yeah, chirping, singing, trilling, cheeping. Yeah, and then he warbled down the street. Yeah, his voice is going up and down, making noises, singing up and down. But notice we use this verb to warble informally. So what are you warbling about? What are you talking about? What do you mean? Yeah? He's always warbling about his financial problems. Yeah? Let's see. I think we use this warbling meaning to talk about something, but particularly it's a bit negative, it's a bit critical. Yeah, he's always warbling on about how expensive things are. She's always warbling on about how her husband treats her. Okay, so to warble, yeah, to complain, to talk at length about someone or something. So he's always warbling on about his pet theories. Yeah, so to talk about, but to talk about at length. Yeah, to go on about. The teacher warbled on about irregular verbs in English. Yeah, so quite often we use this, but notice this use of warble, this is very informal. Yeah, if you use to warble meaning to yodel, yodel a hee hee, to warble, it's got this idea of changing notes. Yeah, well, a bird warbles pleasantly. I think people warble less pleasantly. Yeah, I was warbling in the bath, singing in a high-pitched, rather unsteady voice. Yeah, the singers warbled some Christmas carols. If you say somebody's warbling a Christmas carol, they're not singing very well. Yeah, I guess a machine could warble. His phone warbled to tell him that he'd got another message. Yeah, but for me as a Brit, using this warbling, yeah, what are you talking about? But informally and a little bit critical. It's saying what you're saying is more like bird song. It's nothing actually very serious. Yeah, so come on, stop warbling about your problems. I don't want to hear you. The phrase I've heard many times. What's he warbling about? What's he complaining about? What's he moaning about now? What does he mean? So effectively, what is he saying? Yeah, so to warble, a bird warbles melodiously. A person wardles a bit less melodiously. Maybe they yodel, yodel a hee hee. Yeah, to make a babbling musical sound, and then to warble about something informal, to talk about it, to complain about it. God, he's warbling about his problems again, but in a despective way, in a critical way, you're using it. Okay, let's see. So formality, all of the uses of warble 5 informality use anywhere except this thing of talking. Yeah, he's always warbling about how wonderful his girlfriend is. Yeah, she's always warbling about how handsome he is. As to origin, let's see. I read somewhere that maybe this is related to a Scandinavian word, or obs, yeah, a boil or something that you get on your skin, but I'm not very sure about it. So I'd be interested in any etymologies you might have for warble. So, I've probably warbled on enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Warble, a warbler.